Welcome to another MPEmbed Premium tutorial. In this video, we'll focus on the new premium privacy features for private Matterport spaces. These features give you complete control over how your private spaces are configured and safely shared through MPEmbed. All of this is powered by Matterport's OAuth functionality within their SDK, ensuring secure integration. Please note, access to these privacy features requires an MPEmbed Premium Business Level subscription. To get started, log into your Matterport account and make sure your space is set to private mode. Next, copy the space ID and add it to your MPEmbed account, just like you would with any other Matterport space. Once the space is imported, you'll notice there are no thumbnails or space names displayed. Because of the private nature of the space, only the space ID will appear. When you open the space editor, you'll be prompted to log in with your Matterport account and authorize MPEmbed to edit the space. After completing the authorization process, you can edit your space just like any other spaces. However, at this stage, the space is only viewable in the MPEmbed editor, while the shareable link is still private. Now let's look at the privacy features. The first feature is private access. This option lets you unlock your private space to be visible publicly, but only through MPEmbed. The original Matterport link will remain private, while the MPEmbed link becomes viewable to everyone. This is especially useful if you want to showcase your enhanced space without making the unedited Matterport version public. To unlock your space for public viewing, simply select Unlocked. The Collaborator login option allows access to the space only for designated Matterport collaborators. To use this feature, first set up collaborators for the space within your Matterport account. Then, anyone assigned as a collaborator will need to log into Matterport in order to view the space. Any private authorizations in the privacy features are by default enabled for 180 days. You can adjust the expiration date by using the Private Access Expiration function. Now let's move on to the core of the privacy features, the custom login. This tool allows you to create viewers and groups with permission to visit the space. Before setting this up, make sure that in private access, neither the unlock option nor the collaborator login is enabled. In custom logins, there are two ways to set up a viewer, either by sending an invitation or by creating the user yourself and sharing their credentials. To invite a new user, click on the Add User icon. Enter their email address in both the username and email fields. Leave the password field blank, set an expiration date, and then click Send and Save. This will automatically send the invitation by email. The user can then create their own password and gain access to the space. The second method is to create the user yourself and then share the login details directly. To do this, click on the Add User icon, enter a username, and this time create a password for the user. Set an expiration date, then click Save. You can then share the username and password with the user, giving them immediate access to the space. Each user profile you create will be saved in your account, so it can be reused in future projects. Once a user is created, they'll automatically appear in the allowed user list. To remove a user's access, simply click their name to exclude them from the list. Use the Edit icon to update or delete a user profile. And don't forget to hit the Global Save button in the top right corner to commit all your changes. Now, let's take a look at creating a group. This method allows you to assign multiple users to a group and then add that group to the access list. It's especially useful when you have multiple spaces or projects that require private access and you want to quickly grant access to a large number of users who are already set up. To create a group, click on Create a Group. Name the group and set an access expiration date. Then, click on any available users to add them to the group and hit Save. The group will automatically appear in the access list. You can modify a group or add more users by clicking the Edit icon. When you're done, click Save again And don't forget to hit the global save button to commit your changes. Next, let's look at the custom login logo feature. This function allows you to add a graphic next to the custom login interface, a great way to personalize your project. To add a graphic, click on the media library icon and select your image. Once uploaded, your logo will appear to the left of the login section. The next feature is IP address filter. This is an important addition to our privacy options. Here, you can define which IP addresses are allowed to access a private space. This helps organizations ensure that a space is only viewable from specific locations, for example, within their own network. The next option is embed only. When this feature is enabled, the space will only work when embedded, meaning the direct space URL will no longer function. This option works together with the embed domain filter feature. Here, you can enter the web domains that are allowed to embed the space, giving you full control over where your content can appear. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy exploring the new privacy features in MPEmbed Premium. These tools give you full control over how your private Matterport spaces are shared and accessed securely. If you have any questions or would like to request a live training session, feel free to contact us at support@MPEmbed.com.